Alright, good afternoon everyone. So today's the last class. Alright, so today we're gonna learn a different today we're gonna learn about uh Carroll diagram, okay, a different one. So basically we have learned the first one which is bar graph, then the second one we learned line graph, then third one we learned about pictogram. Okay, so today we learned about the parogram. Okay, so today let's dive into parogram. I'm going to share with you what it means by parogram. Okay, parogram. Parogram is a very simple, pretty much like pictogram.
Hello guys, thank you for coming to another math class. Today we are going to talk about Carroll diagrams. But what is Carroll diagram? Carroll diagram is a specific way to organize information according with rows and columns characteristics. This is the scheme what appears for Carroll diagrams. So in the Carroll diagrams, we have columns and rows, as I told you, and we have to organize with this information. For example, in the column A, we have to put all information in this column. In the column B, we have to put also all information according with B in this column. Now, with row C, we have to put information in this way. And finally, with column D. Also, we need organize the information in this row. Now, we have to compare information between C and A. We have to put that information here in C and A. In the intersection that there is between C and A. Now, between C and B, we have to put the information here. Between D and A, we have to put the information also here. And finally, the information that is B and D, we have to put that information here in this part of the Carroll diagram. Continue with another specific example. Organize the numbers in each section of these Carroll diagrams, but we can organize in any part. We have to organize in a specific section. So we have different numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 12. So here appears our Carroll diagrams. In the first column we have multiples of 3. Remember that is all column with multiples of 3. In the second one we have not multiples of 3. Now in the first row we have even numbers. In this row will appear even numbers. And finally in odd, in the last row, up to appears odd numbers. Check with 3. 3 is here. Why here? Because 3 is multiple of 3 and is an odd number. Very good. 4. 4 is not a multiple of 3 and is an even number. Perfect. 5. Where do you think that is 5? Okay, very good. 5 is an odd number and is not a multiple of 3. Very good. 6. Perfect. Is an even number and multiple of 3 because 2 times 3 equals to 6. Very good. Now 7. 7 is an odd number and not multiple of 3. So now 9. Perfect, because 9 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 3 equals to 9. Is an odd number. Now 10. Perfect. 10 is an even number and not multiple of 3. And finally, where do you think that must be 12? Absolutely. Here, in that place, because 3 times 4 equals to 12, and 12 is an even number. Perfect, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this class. I wait for you in the next class. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, please.
Okay, so you guys pretty much understand what it means by Carroll diagram, which you need to see what are the things that fulfill the criteria. Okay, so this is pretty much over here in your textbook, Carroll diagram. Okay, so Carroll diagram, you have to sort and classify, but instead of one column, now you have to classify the left and the right. Okay. Okay, so over here, okay, Sila has decided to sort his shopping onto his shelf with a Carroll diagram. What label could it be on the columns and rows? Okay, so what do you think about this? Okay. Can anyone suggest? You see, this pretty much is liquid. This pretty much is dry. So what you do, you label it. Here it's all about liquid. And here it's all about dry. Then over here, it's pretty much all the what's the relevance of all this and what's the relevance of all this, which is different. Anyone have any idea? I can see all this is unhealthy. And this is healthy, 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 but coffee is not healthy. What else? Okay, probably we can name it as a, okay, let's just say this is a daily food. Okay, because water, coffee, rice is a daily food. This is opposite is occasional food or not daily food. Okay, so that's pretty much how you label it. Okay, it's always opposite. This two is opposite and this two is opposite. Any questions for this? Not what? Okay, daily necessity and non-daily necessity. Okay. Okay. All right, so now can you please get a piece of paper, draw the carousel diagram? Okay, draw exactly like this. Okay, but into words rather than picture. Okay, question B. So you just draw the box. Okay, so label the title. So here it's liquid, or you can also say that this is drinks and this is food, and both. Liquid, dry, or food and juice, both also can. Okay, as long as this two is opposite. This one is non-daily food, non-essential food. Okay, this is daily food.
Teacher, wait.
What?
Please wait.
Okay. Okay, so then this one, you can just copy exactly the orange, squash, and cola. And then think of one by yourself. Think of one idea by yourself. Any juice which is non-daily. Daily like water, coffee. This one you think of any liquid which is
Hello.
you drink daily. Like milk or stuff like that. Okay, dry.
I also drink milk on night and morning.
Right. Okay. So this dry is like chocolate jam. What other snacks you can think of? Any other snacks that is not daily food? This one like rice and then olives. Okay, overseas olive is a daily food. Okay, for here we use more like garlic, onion kind of thing. Okay, then think of anything like bread or anything. Okay, that's pretty much what you're supposed to do. Okay, once done, please type done. Once done, please type done on the chat. Okay, can we go on? Okay, Jensen done? Not yet. Okay. Okay. So all done, yeah? All right. So let's just share back to the book. Okay, sort the items below in a different Carol diagram. What label does your diagram have? Okay, so try to sort the box just like just now, but now you have a few items here. Now you have jam, flour, soup, apple, washo powder, washing powder, then after that you have bread, then you have spices, you have chips, you have toothpaste, you have egg, you have oil. Okay, so with this few items do exactly same like the earlier, but you have to figure out which are the label that you want to do. Okay, so same thing, figure your own label. Okay, try to do now. I'm not gonna tell you, you're gonna do it. Okay. If you want to refer what are the items, check in the chat. Any idea? Okay, basically definitely one of the column is related to food and non-food, right? The other column, think about it. Okay, can food, liquid, non-liquid, fine. Okay, fantastic. Good. Very good. Can then fill in the blanks. Good. Water cola is not food. Are you sure? Water and cola is food. Orange cord is food, hello? Non-food are like
I know already.
okay, it's a little bit argumentative, but toothpaste follow the shape of the container, right? Toothpaste is not hard enough to be a solid. Okay, so it's still a type of liquid. Done? Okay, can you fill in the blanks on the screen so I can check whether all of you got the correct answer? Where's the powder? Where's the detergent? Okay, let's do one by one. Jam, where should we put? Jam, can you write on the screen? Jam. Right on the screen, jam. Okay. Jam kind of follow. Oops, what happened? What happened? What happened? Jam follow the shape of the container, so it's kind of liquid. Jam is liquid. Flour. Flour. Flour is a solid powder. Flour is a solid powder food. Flour, solid food. Flour, it's a solid food. Soup is a liquid food. Apple, solid food. Washing powder. Washing powder. Solid non-food. Bread. Food. Solid. Spices. Spices is solid food. Chips. Solid food. Toothpaste. Done. Egg. Done. Oil. Don't, this is the next question already, okay? So don't put back the earlier ones. Oops. Okay, the red one. Let me erase out. Okay, all right. You add on the extra. All right. Any question? Done? Done. Check. To check your answer, I give you 1 minute. If all good, can you please give me done in the chat so I know that we can move on?
Done.
Okay. Okay, let's move on, all right? Okay. Next, continue. One. Okay. Okay. Class 4 drew a picture of some vehicles passing by their school. The pictures has been arranged in a carrousel diagram. So how many vehicles are in the correct section of the correct section? Okay. So those which is correct, can you circle it? Can you circle those which is correct? So first thing is that it's 4 wheels. Okay, we need 2 ticks, right? We need first tick. Is this 4 wheel? Yes. Is this 4 wheel? Yes. Is this 4 wheel? No. Is this 4 wheel? Yes. Is this not 4 wheel? Correct. No. This one? Not 4 wheel? No. This one? No. So this one is out. Okay, we need 2 ticks. Okay, and one more cross for me, please. That's good. Okay, next. Traveling from left to right. Left to right. Correct. Left to right. No. Yes, left to right. So this one, not traveling left to right means it's right to left. Right to left. Okay. Right to left. Good. This one, left to right. All right. This one, no. Good. This one, right to left. Right to left. So the correct ones are those who fulfill both criteria. Fulfill both criteria. So this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And all the rest is wrong. Understand? Okay. So now, can you do the same thing again using the carousel picture, but according to the right one? Okay, so according to the right one, so what happened is that this one, it's not four wheel, but it is not traveling from left to right, so it's right to left. So this one, you're supposed to go to, let's say, okay, let's say this is A column. Let's say this is A column, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so this one correct, leave it A. This one correct, leave it A. This one correct, leave it C. Okay, let's do the rest. This one correct, one wrong. Means not traveling to left to right is correct, but four wheels is wrong. So this one I have to move to here. So this one move to B. Got it? Okay, this one is not four wheel, which is correct. It's over here, but it's not traveling left to right. It's traveling right to left. So this one have to move down here. So move to B. Got it? Okay. Then this one right, one wrong. So it is it's moving from left to right. It's correct. It's this column. But it is four wheel. So this one is moved to A. Okay, so this lorry is at A. And this car, it is four wheel. So it's moved to here, or either here or here. It's moving right to left. So it's over here. So answer is C. This one, it's the same thing. This is also C. So we have 3 items on A, 1 item on B, 2 item on C, 3 item on C, and 2 item on, 2 item on D, 3 item on C, C, D, A, where's B? No 4 wheels, and left to right. None. Okay, so B has no answer. Understand? Okay, please draw it now. Please draw it now. After you draw it, show it to me. you're done, just click
haven't
done.
done.
Okay. Okay, I'll go for toilet break for a moment, okay? Okay, how's things going?
Teacher, I haven't done. Is it
Oh.
B not have things?
B nothing, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Copy
Alright.
the words in and finish.
All right, so pretty much this is what you're supposed to do. That's it for today's class, all right? So next week we will continue pretty similar with this Carol diagram, but in a different presentation we call Venn diagram. Okay, so we're gonna teach the next thing next week. All right, so for those who haven't done, can you take a picture so that you can do it later at home? All right. Or you can try to do it by yourself, even better. All right. Okay, so that's pretty much for today.
Is it like this?
Can I have a look? Nearer, 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 nearer. Very much nearer. Very much nearer. Very much nearer. Perfect. Okay. Can I see column C? Column C, the car. I can see the direction very well. Column C, nearer, 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 very much nearer. Column C. Up a bit, up a bit, up a bit, up a bit, up a bit. I think the car one head left, one head right. Seems wrong. Column C got some error. Column C got some error. Column C, you see here.
The car
Both
This
is facing
line.
this direction.
This line.
Yeah, is it
And
heading
now
same
this
direction or not?
light. The light is go this.
Both also
This
heading
is
that direction, is it?
front. This is front.
Okay, is the two cars in column C going same direction or not?
Yes.
Yes, then yes is okay then. Okay, that's good. All right, that's all.
I draw the line already.
Okay,
Light
thank
line.
you. That's great. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.
Bye.
See you on Monday.
Teacher.
Bye bye, Jane.
Bye.
Bye. What's your
It's
sister name?
Janice.
Janice.
This Janice.
Okay, bye, Yuna. Janice. Okay, Swan. Wow, Janice know my name too. Nice. Yuna, what's your sister name? Bye, Janice.
Hannah.
Sorry?
Hannah.
Hannah, I see. So does Hannah enjoy the exercise class yesterday? She likes the exercise? That's nice. You got two sisters, Joanna? Are they twins? Is this? Oh, this is this Jane?
Yes.
You look so different. You look so different after you tie your hair. Okay, bye.